Hey everyone, welcome back to Powerful Best Stoicism. Have you ever wanted someone to miss you so much that you're the first thought on their mind when they wake up and the last one before they drift off to sleep? You're in the perfect spot because today, we're unlocking the secrets to becoming utterly unforgettable. We're diving into 10 Stoic principles that go beyond just sparking a little longing. They're about molding you into someone so magnetic that your absence leaves a mark. Seneca once said, "Absence sharpens love, presence strengthens it." Let's explore how to sharpen that longing until they can't shake the thought of you. Don't skip a beat. Each principle is a vital piece in mastering the art of being missed. Before we dive in, here's a quick challenge. Drop a comment below with "on their mind tomorrow." It's short, sweet, and captures the vibe of today's talk. Plus, it'll be cool to see how many of you are in on this. Now, let's unpack these 10 STO consolidate strategies to make them crave your presence even more. Principle 1. Self-sufficiency. Wondering how self-sufficiency makes someone ache for you? It's simple. Being whole on your own is insanely attractive. When you're self-sufficient, you're not clinging or fishing for their attention. You're out there crushing it, chasing your passions, handling your business, living your fullest life. This independence isn't just hot, it's captivating. They start seeing you as a force, not just a partner. You're not always at their beck and call, and that space? It's not distance, it's a breeding ground for curiosity. They wonder, what's she up to? How's he pulling it off so effortlessly? That's when they miss the vibrant, standalone you. So, own your completeness. It's not about pushing them away, it's about pulling them into awe of your strength. Keep building that independence, and you'll be on their mind tomorrow and beyond. Principle 2. Emotional control. Think emotional control sounds dull? Think again, it's your secret weapon to reel them in. Picture this, you're steady, cool-headed, even when things get messy. That's power. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you'll find strength. When you don't flip out or melt down, it's intriguing. They're used to drama, but you're a calm storm, mysterious, deep. That poise sticks with them. It's not about being a robot, it's about choosing when to show your cards. When you do, it's real, deliberate, and hits harder. They'll miss that rare, thoughtful warmth when you're gone. So, keep your cool, drop a subtle hint, "Will you think of me tomorrow?" And let that mystery simmer. They'll wander back, hooked. Principle 3. Intentional communication. How can a few well-chosen words make them crave you? Intentional communication is the trick. It's not about chatter, it's about purpose. Seneca said, "Speak so you can speak again." Say less, mean more. Make every word connect, spark, or linger. Imagine this, your talks aren't just noise, they're rich, funny, deep. That sticks. When you're not around, your voice echoes in their head, pulling them back. You're not oversharing, you're crafting moments they replay. They'll miss the wit, the insight, the you behind it. So, speak with intent. Sprinkle some charm, and watch your words weave you into their thoughts. You'll be on their mind tomorrow, because they can't forget how you say it. Principle 4. Acceptance of absence. Here's a curveball. Embracing time apart can tighten your bond. Sounds wild, but it's true. Absence doesn't just tease the heart, it builds hunger. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life." Free yourself from needing to hover, and watch the magic unfold. Don't flood their phone when you're apart. Let the quiet stir their curiosity. You're not predictable. You're the moment they crave. Being okay with solitude shows you're solid, and that's sexy. When you reunite, it's electric, fresher, stronger. They'll feel your absence like an itch they can't scratch, thinking of you more. So, lean into the gaps. It's not a void, it's anticipation. You'll be on their mind tomorrow as the one they can't wait to see. Principle 5. Mindfulness in interaction. How does being all in make them miss you? Mindfulness turns fleeting moments into lasting echoes. When you're with them, you're there, listening hard, engaging deep. Marcus Aurelius said, "Do every act as if it were your last. Make every chat, every look count. Your focus makes laughs brighter, silence is heavier. They feel seen, and that lingers. When you're gone, they miss that intensity, the way you lock in. It's not just time spent, it's time felt. Be present, soak in the now, and leave a trace they can't shake. You'll be on their mind tomorrow, because no one else makes them feel that alive." We're halfway. If this is hitting home, smash that like and subscribe if you haven't. Your support fuels this journey. Now, let's hit the next 5, starting with one you won't want to miss. Principle 6. Consistency in communication. Can steady vibes make them miss you harder? You bet. It's not about spamming, it's about reliable, quality connection. A morning text, a quick check-in, a night recap, small beats that sink into their rhythm. Seneca said, "Regularity is a sign of wisdom." They start counting on your words like clockwork. When you go quiet, that gap screams. They miss the comfort, the pulse of you in their day. It's not clingy, it's dependable. Stick to your pattern, and your silence will echo louder than noise. You'll be on their mind tomorrow as the steady spark they can't replace. Principle 7. Purposeful living. How does purpose make them pine for you? It's about being alive with drive. You've got goals, passions, stuff that lights you up. Seneca said, "Our plans miscarry because they have no aim." A direction makes you dynamic. Share your wins, your fire, they'll catch the glow. When you're apart, they miss that energy, that spark only you bring. You're not waiting around, you're building something that's magnetic, live with purpose, and they'll crave the next chapter of your story. You'll be on their mind tomorrow as the one who inspires them to move. Principle 8. Moderation in emotions. Can keeping it chill make them miss you? Absolutely. It's not about hiding feelings, it's about balance. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Stay steady, not wild. No blowouts or smothering vibes, just real, measured warmth. It leaves them wanting more, not drowning. They'll miss your calm, your grace when chaos hits. It's not cold, it's controlled, and that's power. Keep emotions in check, and you'll be on their mind tomorrow as the peace they can't find elsewhere. Principle 9. Resilience in adversity. How does grit make them miss you? It's showing you bend but don't break. Seneca said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction." When life punches, you stand tall, solving, smiling, pushing on. They admire that steel. Picture this: you lose a job but pivot fast, or you steady a crisis without cracking. They lean on your strength. When you're gone, they miss that rock, that hope you radiate. Resilience isn't just surviving, it's thriving. Be that pillar, and you'll be on their mind tomorrow as the one who holds it together. Principle 10. Consistency in character. How does staying true make them miss you? It's being rock solid you, always. Epictetus said, "First say what you would be, then do what you have to." They know your values, your vibe, steady as stone. That trust, it's gold. Mix in a surprise, a random gift, a wild plan, and you're reliable yet thrilling. They miss the anchor and the spark. Be consistent. Toss in some spice, and you'll be on their mind tomorrow as the one they can't pin down but can't let go. Wrap up. There it is, 10 Stoic keys to lock yourself in their head. It's not just about being missed, it's about being worth missing. Hit like if this fired you up, subscribe for more, and comment on their mind tomorrow to join the crew. At Powerful Stoic Habits, we're all about leveling up with timeless wisdom. Tell me below how you make these stick. Keep shining with that stoic edge. You're unforgettable now, Go own it. See you next time.